In this video, I will be doing the review of Duke 125 and I will be giving 6 reasons you should buy Duke 125. This is a BS6 model which looks similar to that of BS4, but there are some changes in this model. You are getting 3 colors in this bike: black, orange and white. Bike looks good in all the 3 colors. You are getting steel trellis frame in this bike, which is same as BS4. Owner's feedback on this bike is very good. People who have purchased this bike are happy and satisfied with the bike performance, and bike fulfills all their needs. My suggestion to you is, whenever you go for purchasing a bike, do your need assessment and plan the bike accordingly. Fuel tank capacity of this bike is 10.5 liters. You will be getting various types of information in this MID, starting from kilometers to odometer, trip meter and distance to empty, riding time, etc. You are also getting tachometer and gear shift indicator in this bike. Belly panel size is reduced in this model, and now you are getting small cover to cover the silencer. Riding position is same upright in this model also, which is very good, and it is very helpful for you in city as well as highway driving conditions. Front telescopic suspension, same upside down, sourced from WP, which has been proven very good and reliable. This bike uses liquid cooled cooling system, which is very good for traveling long distances without taking any stop. This is engine guard, which protects the engine on speed breakers. Overall, bike is very good considering its engine size and the price what you are paying for it. Price, it is a bit higher compared to other 125cc bike, but after all it's a KTM. I will be telling you 6 reasons for which you should consider this bike over other bikes. Reason number 1 is mileage. You will be getting 40 to 46 kilometers per liter mileage in this bike, which is very good. Reason number 2 is you're getting 6 gears in this bike, which no other 125cc bike in the market is having. 6 gears help you a lot in cruising on a highway with minimum RPM and improve the efficiency of this bike. Reason number 3. Maintenance of this bike is low as compared to other sports bike in the market. Service interval is 7500 kilometers or 1 year, whichever comes first. Reason number 4. Style of this bike is very good and unique as compared to other 125cc bike in the market. Reason number 5. You can use this bike for daily commute, as well as you can travel between the cities. You can go anywhere you want. Still, I would not suggest you to go off-roading on this bike, as considering the ground clearance, but overall you can drive almost everywhere under normal driving conditions. Reason number 6. If you are a beginner in the riding a motorcycle and you need a good bike, you can go for this bike, as power and mileage, everything is balanced in this bike. Wish you all the best in buying your new bike and enjoy riding KTM. If you are not my subscriber, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.